All public masses at Catholic churches in Singapore will be suspended indefinitely starting noon, 15th February. Archbishop William Goh made the announcement today, and he says the decision was taken given the current escalating situation, which is proving to be difficult to contain.
The Archbishop says that this measure will stay in place until there is greater clarity on the way forward. He says all other events with large numbers of people, like retreats and seminars, should also be suspended.
Meanwhile, St. Andrew's Cathedral says Saturday and Sunday services will continue. Contact registration and temperature screening will be conducted at all gatherings.